What the fuck do you think I will play? Leb. Lock that shit in. I gotta play the U.R.F Leblanc, man. For the easy juke video. No mana cost, everything is free. Oh my god. It's like Bernie Sanders' dream comes true, man.
Yeah.
Woo! 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 Fuck! 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 Fuck!
But the party's not over. Hey, what's up? Oh, was that a flash? Damn. Damn, son. Damn, you're pretty intense. See you. Oops. So if I let this expire all the way, I can instantly use it again. That's cool. That's cool. I can use that. Like, I escape with it, and then I can come back with it. Shall we? Yeah! Yeah! Look. This is how you play the game, man. 2 waves at the same motherfucking time. This is how you truly proxy. Proxy like a boss. Yeah, that gets their attention pretty good, eh? I've got a Timo trap right here, though. I think she saw it. Oh. With proxy. Got someone's attention. I'm out. Fuck this. It's okay. I'm ready for round 2 with that Jin, man. I'm ready for round 2. Jin, come on. Come on. Oh, well, this is gonna be easy, man. What's up? Let's wait, motherfucker. Nailed it.